everyone.
Good evening.
Welcome. Jaja Foundation annual boat ride.
Yes.
Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home. If you have a physical ticket in your hand, you can remain online. If you bought your ticket online, please approach the table ahead. If you have a physical ticket, remain online. If you need to pick up your ticket that you bought online, please approach the table ahead. Thank you.
Another year, another fundraiser, another beautiful day for Jaja Foundation today. We're expecting a good crowd, a good sold out crowd for this nice boat ride.
Listen, Jaja Foundation reaching out to people who in need. And the fact that way back I had my own experience where people reach out to me when it was needed. That's why I have to support Jaja Foundation, because I know that people need help. And Jaja Foundation is providing that help.
Thank you for your support, your continued support. We really appreciate it, all right?
All right, my brother, anytime.
All right, ladies.
Evening.
All looking very lovely.
Thank you.
Hope you all have a nice evening, okay?
Thank you. So I know Dr. Dixon from when he was a resident at Newark Methodist Real Medical Center. I worked with him in the ER, and just through the years, just known him, and finally get a chance to bring my friend Michelle, my daughter, and her friend to come support this awesome cause that he has made. You know, he's the founder. So I was supposed to have my two more people were supposed to come, but they didn't make it today. So we're just here to support.
Well, thank you so much for coming out, all right? Hope you have a good one. You're going to have a good one.
We will, absolutely.
Good evening, mommy.
Nothing like the
You're
sun.
blocking the sun. You're not supposed to block the sun enough.
Why?
You're supposed to be happy you get the sun, mommy.
Thank you.
So, Jaja Foundation, Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home.
Jaja Foundation,
Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home. 3, 2, 1, go.
Jamaican Foundation, Jamaican Leon, I help Jamaica.
Jaja Foundation, Jamaican abroad, helping Jamaicans at yard.
Hey, pretty man, pretty good. Nice man.
How you doing? All is well? Good. Take a good picture.
Shoot the video.
Take a picture and take a good picture. All right. That picture for yourself. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Tell us, why are you here today?
To support the Jaja Foundation. Trevor and I are high school classmates, so anything he does, I'm always there to support. We come every year.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Excuse me, nice lady. Looking so important. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Tell me, why are you here today?
Dr. Dixon invited me and my coworker. Yeah.
And you came to support the Jaja Foundation.
Yes, I did.
Do you think it's important to give back to charity?
Absolutely.
Thank you for coming on. And I'll be on the evening.
Thank you.
Jaja Foundation, Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home. Woo!